birthday, Ma. May you have more years to celebrate, more years to come. Praying for your good health. Nabigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, malusog at malakas na pangangatawan. Enjoy life to the fullest. Masaya kami na nakikita ka namin na masaya with your circle of friends. And nandito lang kami para sa'yo. I hope that on your next birthday celebration ay kumpleto na kami. And be blessed because you are a blessing to others. Thank you for loving us. And may God bless you. Enjoy your Ilocos trip. Love you and miss you. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy 75th birthday, Ma. May you have more birthdays to come. Sana may you stay strong and healthy at sana makasama mo pa ng matagal ang mga anak mo at mga apo mo. Love you.
Happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday. Stay healthy and always be happy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Old. I hope you have a wonderful day surrounded by love and the people you love. It always brightens my day at lagi akong natutuwa kapag nakikita ko yung mga posts niyo sa Facebook. So, I hope you always have good health and high energy para i-enjoy lang ang life niyo. Kahit na hiwa-hiwalay tayo, I think I speak for Mommy at Daddy rin na we're always there for you in spirit and our love for you is always in our hearts. Thank you sa pagmamahal na palagi niyong pinapakita sa amin. And I hope you have more blessings, good times, and above all, good health to enjoy with your loved ones, family, and friends alike. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy 75th birthday, Mama. Best wishes on your birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you for your love and care. Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa amin, sa kay JM. Happy 75th birthday. Mag-ingat lagi. More blessings and good health to you. I love you. Okay.
Hi Me, happy 75th birthday. I wish you happiness, good health, and long life. Para soon pag successful na kami naman yung makakapag-spoil sa'yo. Love you, Me. Let's have fun. Love, love.
Hi, Mommy Old. Happy 75th birthday. Maraming salamat sa iyong pag-aalaga sa akin sa bahay nung wala sila Mommy at Daddy. At sana biyayaan ka pa ni Lord ng marami pang healthy years to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Old. God bless po.
Happy 75th birthday, Mommy Old. We wish we were there. We miss you and we love you. Enjoy your celebration.
Hi, Mom. Happy 75th birthday. I praise and thank God for the 75 years of your existence, and I'm very grateful that you are our mom. I may not be right there right now to celebrate with you, but keep in mind that you're always in my thoughts and in my hearts and in my prayers, and I pray to God that He will continually bless you with better health and give you the best of everything. I pray that you have more birthdays to come and that you will live longer so that we can spend more time with you. We miss you and we love you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy Old. I'm grateful that you're my Lola and I wish you the very best. I hope you enjoy your special day. I love you.